Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Assistant Professor Gaurang Prajapati from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In this video, I am going to cover the examples of the SI, that is of static indeterminacy of the beams. In the previous video, we have covered the theoretical portion of this chapter. Now in this video, I am going to cover the degree of redundancy of the beam. Okay, so first of all, let's understand it by the theoretical content. Degree of redundancy of the beam. In case of the continuous beam, or we can say statically indeterminate structure, the shear and the moment at any point in the beam are readily known once the reaction components are determined. Okay, obviously if we can calculate the reactions, then obviously we can calculate shear as well as bending moment or at any point. Okay, thus these beams are statically determinate internally. Okay, so as we can say it is a internally indeterminate structure, so we can say for beams dsi equals to 0. Dsi means what? Degree of static indeterminacy, or we can say internal. Just a minute, let me show it over here. We have seen this one in the previous video also. dsi means degree of internal indeterminacy, while dse stands for degree of external indeterminacy. So just a minute. So as these beams are statically determinate structure, so ultimately internal indeterminacy will be 0. Okay, so for beams dsi equals to 0. So the degree of indeterminacy of the beam is therefore the equal of its external indeterminacy. So ultimately we can say ds equals to dsi. See, basically the ds formula will be ds equals to dsi plus dse. Okay, as ds is equals to 0, so I can say ds equals to dse, like that. Okay, so as stated earlier, ds equals to dse, ds equals to capital R minus small r, where capital R stands for total numbers of reaction components. Okay, means numbers of reactions produces, while small r, that is total numbers of equilibrium equations available. These are 3: sigma h, sigma v and sigma m equals to 0. Okay, so let's solve some of the examples, but before that there is one variation in the beams. See, first of all, talking about reactions. Okay, so in the fixed support there are always 3 reactions: vertical, horizontal and moment. These are the value of the capital R, numbers of equations produces. Then we can say for hinge support 2 numbers of reactions will be there, vertical as well as horizontal, like this. In both these cases you can see, while in the roller support only one reaction will be produces, that is roller, that is one vertical. Okay, now over here one pin is given to us. What pin does? Usually pin remove one reaction from its property, but we will not consider it. I will explain that one in the video. Okay, I will consider over here only these 3 types. In fixed support 3 reactions will be there, in hinge support 2 reactions will be there, vertical and horizontal, and in roller support we can say 1 reactions will be there, that is vertical, while this one will be considered during the example. See, internal hinge or pin will provide one extra condition of equilibrium. See, usually there are 3 conditions, that is sigma h equals to 0, sigma v is equals to 0 and sigma m equals to 0. Okay, but whenever pin will be there in the structure, it will provide one extra condition for that one. So ultimately now this time small r's value will be 4, that is numbers of equilibrium equation 3 plus one extra condition because of pin. Okay, while if link is there, then link will provide 2 extra conditions. Okay, so let's solve this structure. So let's solve the examples regarding beam. First example, see, a cantilever beam is given to us. Okay, we need to calculate its SI. So first of all, talking about SI, D equals to DSE. The main formula is capital R minus small r. Okay, where unknowns are, I have shown unknown over here, capital R. So numbers of reactions produces. Over here fixed support is there, you can see 3 unknowns will be there, vertical, horizontal and moment. So 3 unknowns are there. I have shown it over here by V, H and M. V stands for vertical, H stands for horizontal and M stands for moment. While talking about another unknown, that is we can say small r, that is numbers of equilibrium conditions. There are always 3: sigma h equals to 0, sigma v is equals to 0, sigma m equals to 0. So ultimately by putting down both this value over in this equation, capital R minus small r, capital R 3, small r 3, 3 minus 3, so ultimately it is 0. So we can say beam is determinate. Okay, Moving forward, next one. Say a beam is given like this. At one end fixed support is there, at other end hinge support is there. So ultimately fixed support direction, vertical horizontal moment. Okay, that is 3. While hinge support reaction will be vertical and horizontal. So 2. So ultimately the value of the capital R stands for 5. Okay, I have over here, I have shown in over here vertical horizontal moment. These are the reactions. While vertical and horizontal, so that is for hinge support. So ultimately capital R's value will be 5. Talking about small r, that is always 3, numbers of equilibrium condition. Putting down these two value in the formula, DSA equals to capital R minus small r, capital R 5, small r 3, I will get the answer 2. As it is answer is not 0, so it is not determinate structure, it is indeterminate. So beam is indeterminate first of all, as it is not equals to 0. Okay, answer is 2. And as answer has come 2, so we can say it is indeterminate to second degree. Okay, if the answer comes 5, then I can say it is indeterminate to fifth degree, like that. Okay, let's see some of the other examples. Example number 3. Again prop cantilever beam is there, fixed support and roller support is there. So for the fixed support, 3 reactions are there, vertical, horizontal and moment. See, I have seen over here, that is 3. And for the roller support, only one vertical reaction will be produced, that is this one. So 3 plus 1, so total unknown are 4. That is the value of capital R. Okay, talking about small r, it is always 3, numbers of equilibrium equation. So finally let's put down this value over here, capital R minus small r. So we can say 4 minus 3, answer comes 1. As it is 1 not equals to 0, so it is indeterminate. Okay, and as answer has come 1, so indeterminate to, we can say first degree. Okay, next fixed support is there over here as well as over here. 3 unknowns will be there, vertical horizontal moment. Over here also 3 unknowns will be there, vertical horizontal and moment. You can see over here 3 plus 3, that is 6. And over here I have shown the reaction also, that which reactions are getting produced. Then smaller, always 3, numbers of equilibrium condition. So let's put down the value. DSC equals to capital R minus small r, capital R 6, small r 3. 6 minus 3, answer comes 3. So ultimately we can say beam is indeterminate and indeterminate to third degree. Okay, so these are the criteria. Let's see another example. Say a beam is there having hinge support at both ends. See, so left hand side hinge support, 2 reactions will be there. See, that is 2, as well as right hand side hinge hinge support, 2 reactions will be there, that is plus 2. So ultimately total unknowns are 4. Okay, while small r, that is always 3, equilibrium condition. Let's put down this value over here, capital R minus small r, capital R 4, small r 3. So answer comes 1. So beam is indeterminate, and as answer is 1, so indeterminate to first degree. Then this one, example number 3. A beam having 2 roller support. Okay, having roller support, in case of the roller support only one reaction will be produced, that is one vertical, this one. While over here also roller support is there, only one reaction will be produced, this one. So 1 plus 1 2, so capital R's value is 2. Okay, while talking about small r, that is always 3, numbers of equilibrium condition. Let's put down this value over here. DS equals to capital R minus small r, capital R 2, small r 3. So 2 minus 3, answer comes negative. Now whenever the answer comes 0, we are usually take it as a determinate structure, and if it doesn't come 0, means if it comes positive, we were taking it as a indeterminate. But when it comes negative, then beam is said to be always unstable. Okay, so always remember this rule for that one. Then example number 7. In this one, roller support is there, hinge support is there, roller support is there, and one pin is given to us. Okay, so first of all, just a minute, let me zoom the figure. Yeah, now roller support reaction will be 1 vertical, say 1. Over here hinge support, so 2 reaction, vertical as well as horizontal, 2 vertical horizontal. And over here roller support is there, that is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, okay, one editing mistake is there, that is 4. So capital R's value is 4. Okay, talking about small r, So small r is, we usually took small r up to in all examples, that is equals to 3, but in this one, as we can say pin is given, we have seen in the theory what does pin do. Pin provide one extra equilibrium condition. So our small r's value is 3 plus 1, this 1 plus 1 is for pin. See, I have seen over here pin provides one extra condition, so ultimately the value of the small r will be 4. Okay, so now let's solve this one. This value is 4 as I have told you earlier. Okay, capital R minus small r, that is we can say 4, and small r, that is also equals to 4. So ultimately 4 minus 4, answer comes 0. We can say beam is determinate. Okay, moving forward, example number 8. Now in this one, arch is given to us. Now arch having fixed support at both ends, so we know that for fixed support 3 reactions are there: vertical, horizontal and moment. Over here same thing will be there: vertical, horizontal and moment. So ultimately capital R, that is 3 plus 3, that is 6. Small r, always 3. Let's put down the value. DSE, capital R minus small r, 6 minus 3, answer comes 3. So we can say beam is indeterminate, as it is not equals to 0, and as answer is 3, so indeterminate to we can say third degree. Then next one, that is example number 9. Let me zoom the sketch first of all, because it is not that much clear. Now over here we can see hinge support is given, roller support, one pin is there, one pin is there, and over here hinge support is there. So first of all, let's calculate first of all capital R. As hinge support, so 2 reactions will be there: vertical, horizontal. Over here roller support is there, so 1 reaction will be there: vertical. And over here again hinge support is there, so 2 reactions will be there: vertical, horizontal. Okay, so total value of capital R is 5. Okay, now talking about small r, so usually we have always taken small r equals to 3, numbers of equilibrium condition, but over here 2 pins are there. So what does pin does? That it provide one extra condition. So over here 2 pins are there, so ultimately small r's value will be 5. Okay, see, I have seen over here 3 plus 1 plus 1, so ultimately 5. Over here I have given the notation as well: pin provide one extra condition. So finally DSE equals to capital R minus small r, that is 5, minus small r, that is 5, answer comes 0. Okay, so as it is 0, beam is determinate. Okay, so next example number 11. Just a minute, let me zoom the sketch. Now in this one, say a fixed support is there, so ultimately 3 reactions will be there: vertical, horizontal and moment. So 3 reaction, vertical, horizontal, moment. Over here roller support is there, so 1 reaction will be there, say 1 reaction, vertical. And over there also fixed support is there: vertical, horizontal, and moment, that is 3. So ultimately capital R's value will be 3 plus 1 plus 3, once again editing mistake is there, that is 7. Okay, this one. Now talking about small r, so we are usually take small r as 3, but over here pin is there, so pin provide one extra condition, so plus 1, as well as over here internal roller is there. We have seen in the theory internal roller provides 2 extra condition, so plus 2. So ultimately small r's value will be, we can say 6. Okay, over here I have given here explanation also. Small r, numbers of equilibrium condition: 3 equilibrium plus 1, that is of pin, and plus 2, that is of internal roller. And over here I have given its explanation also. So ultimately total unknowns are, reactions are 6, unknowns are 7. So ultimately DSE capital R minus small r, 7 minus 6, so ultimately answer comes 1. So, okay, so as it is 1, so beam is indeterminate, so we can say first degree. Then example number 12. Now these are the examples which have been asked in the exam. Okay, let me zoom the sketch. Okay, see, these were the examples of the reference book from which I have taken. Okay, so over here you can see the reactions. There in the book reactions will be shown over here in the data, but in the exam reactions will never be given to us. We need to identify by ourselves. So first of all, see in this one is hinge support, so 2 reactions will be there. Okay, so you can see capital R, 2, that is vertical, horizontal. Over here roller support is there, so only vertical reaction, one vertical. Over here also roller support is there, so one reaction, that is this one. So ultimately total unknowns are 4. Talking about equilibrium condition, that is always 3. Okay, so ds equals to capital R minus small r, 4 minus 3, answer comes 1. So as it is 1, beam is indeterminate, and indeterminate to we can say first degree. Just a minute, yeah, see, as it is 1, so beam is indeterminate and indeterminate to first degree. These are the smaller. Okay, say this is the example of May 2015. Just a minute, yeah. Now in this one, fixed support is there, so 3 reaction will be there: vertical, horizontal, moment. So 3 reactions. Then over here hinge support is there, so vertical as well as horizontal, so 2 reactions will be there. And over here roller support is there, so 1 reaction, vertical. Okay, so total unknowns are 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. Talking about small r, that is always 3, and in this one we can say internal rollers is there. Okay, they have seen over here internal hinge. Okay, sorry, internal hinge is given to us. Internal hinge is nothing, we can say internal roller. Okay, so it will provide 2 extra condition. So over here internal roller or hinge provide 2 extra conditions, so ultimately smallest value will be 3 plus 2, so total 5. So ultimately ds equals to capital R minus small r, 6 minus 5, answer comes 1. So as it is 1, beam is indeterminate to first degree. Clear? Example number 14. Now in this one, hinge support is there, vertical as well as horizontal, 2 reactions. This one is roller support, 1 reaction, vertical. Okay, so total unknowns are 3. And talking about smaller, numbers of equilibrium condition always 3. So ultimately ds equals to capital R minus small r, 3 minus 3, answer comes 0. So beam is determinate. See, this one is the free support. Just a minute, this one is the free support, so free support reactions will never produces. Okay, so there over there R is 0. Then example number 15. In this one, roller hinge support is there, so 2 reaction, roller is there, 1 reaction, roller is there, 1 reaction. See, capital R, 2 plus 1 plus 1, so total 4. Talking about smaller, that is always 3. So finally DSE R minus smaller, 4 minus 3, answer come 1. Okay, editing mistake is there. So as it is 1, so beam is indeterminate and indeterminate to first degree. Clear? Then example number 16. Now in this one, fixed support is there, so vertical, horizontal, moment. Then over here hinge support is there, vertical, horizontal, so 2 unknowns. Over here roller support, only 1 reactions, the vertical. So total terminals of unknown are, we can say, 6. While talking about smaller, okay, 3 regular equations, and over here 1 pin is given to us. Now what does pin does? Pin provide 1 extra condition, so 3 plus 1. So ultimately total unknown will be 4. Over here 6. So finally ds equals to capital R minus small r, that is 6 minus 4. So answer is 2. As it is 2, beam is indeterminate and indeterminate to second degree. Then this one, example number 17. Over here fixed support is there, so vertical, horizontal, moment. Over here also fixed support, vertical, horizontal and moment. In this one, pin is given on the fixed support, so I will consider pin separately. Okay, so I will consider reactions as it is, say 3 plus 3, so total 3 reactions, so total unknowns are 6. Talking about equilibrium condition, then usually 3 condition. Now this one is pin, it will provide 1 extra condition. Over here also pin is there, 1 extra condition. So smallest value will be 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5. So finally ds equals to capital R minus small r, that is 6 minus 5, answer comes 1. Okay, so beam is indeterminate as it is 1. Okay, just a minute, as it is 1, it is indeterminate to first degree. So hope guys, these were the examples regarding SI of the beam. Okay, hope so you have got all the concept. Myself, Assistant Professor Gaurang Prajapati, signing off.